One thing that came up almost immediately in these conversations was how naturally a lot of military experience translates into fleet. Because in this industry, no 2 days are exactly the same. Things break and schedules shift. Priorities will change fast. And whether you're supporting drivers, managing equipment, or leading a team through a tough situation, there's a certain level of adaptability and problem solving that comes with the job. For many veterans, that mindset already feels familiar long before they ever enter the fleet industry.
One of the big skills that, the skill or mindset, if you will, from my military time that I use in my position is strong communication and leadership. I think communication is pivotal to literally every part of life, especially in your career and with this career as a fleet manager or anything to do with the fleet world. We communicate to many different types of people, and if you can't communicate, this job is it won't get done efficiently, and there's really only one choice, is for you to be able to communicate very effectively to your audience, whether that be internal customers, external customers, dealerships, vendors, co-workers, everybody.
I know this is a blinding flash of the obvious, but it is get organized. I mean, the Army and the rest of the military is nothing if it's not organized. They have structures and SOPs for everything. But they are very prepared when they get ready to do something. And I think that as a leader in a civilian organization, you can bring that preparedness scenario to just about anything you do. And if you've got the roadmap laid out properly, people will jump on it and accomplish the tasks that you have in mind.
Big one is adaptability under pressure. In the military, plans change constantly. Resources were not always perfect, and the mission still had to move forward. That mindset carried directly into fleet. Whether it is a vehicle down, or a technician shortage, or a parts delay, or a customer needing support quickly, I learned to stay calm, assess the situation, and prioritize what matters most, and find a practical path forward.